Hey everyone, Extreme here. Another day, another crypto news. Let's see what's been moving, and are the news supporting it or is it just movement? Ethereum Classic is at the top, 11% movement already. Yesterday, it was also one of the big movers. Let's see, is there anything supporting it or is it just the markets pushing it up? Ethereum Classic. No real news regarding it. Yes, we got some news 14 hours ago. Let's see. The next Dogecoin. Traders pump Ethereum Classic. Price record high. ETC began trading over $100 on Robinhood and Coinbase. In brief, Ethereum Classic was priced at the all-time high of $38 on April 15. It reached $150 on Coinbase today. Ethereum Classic price surged overnight, sending the token into uncharted territory. In the last week, it has demolished its April 15 high of $38.43, ascending all the way to $97.24 today, according to data from Nomics. But depending on the exchange you use, you might be paying a lot more. On Coinbase, the price went as high as $149 before settling down into the $127 range, a full $35 more than on Binance and $12 more than on the trading app Robinhood. While the large price depression is likely short-lived, the upward price movement is real. Explanations for the trend include overall exuberance across the banker, ETC listing on a popular trading apps, and major changes to its competitor chain. Ethereum Classic is a result of a 2016 fork of the Ethereum blockchain, after a smart contract related to decentralized venture capital project, the DAO, was exploited for 3.6 million ETH, then $15 million. The Ethereum community rallied behind two different courses of action. Most stakeholders wanted to intervene and change the blockchain's code to retroactively eliminate the theft. Others wanted to do nothing and let the theft stand. Unable to reconcile their fundamental differences, developers went through with a hard fork. The anti-intervention scam became Ethereum Classic, continuing to use the original Ethereum blockchain. For years, Ethereum Classic, or ETC, has trundled along. Throughout 2019 and 2020, it never rose above $13. In the same time frame, ETH never dipped below $100. So is Ethereum Classic the next Dogecoin? Will it keep on running? Wolf Foxley, or of cryptocurrency mining company Compass Mining, told the script, mining Ethereum and Ethereum Classic now has about the same profitability. Following the latter coin's recent price surge, it's remarkable if you think about where Ethereum Classic was less than a year ago, reeling from multiple 51% attacks, little application traction, and a split core developer team. But why? For starters, as US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell said last week in reference to Dogecoin, which has risen from 1 cent to 62 cents this year despite created as a joke. Some of the assets' prices are high. Noted Powell, you are seeing things in the capital markets that are a bit forfy. Forf is actually a technical term that means prices are unsustainable because they are higher than the intrinsic value of the asset. Ethereum Classic diehards might argue that this isn't true of ETC, that it's historically undervalued instead. ETC also benefits from free key exchange listings, Binance, Coinbase, and Robinhood. And yes, that's the three biggest exchanges out there. While the former is the most used exchange in the world, the latter two are gateways to crypto novices, and they focus on users experiencing and make it easy to buy and sell. Robinhood and Coinbase, in fact, are currently trending as number 1 and number 3 top apps on the Apple Store, above TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Technical reasons could also be at play. The Ethereum blockchain is in the middle of transition to proof of stake Ethereum 2.0 blockchain that will do away with energy intensive ETH mining, in which computers connected to the blockchain secure it and earn tokens by solving extremely hard cryptographic puzzles. So if you've been holding ETC or Ethereum Classic, either way, you've made great profits. Leave comments below or hit the like button if you have any Ethereum Classic. Did you miss out or did you not? Is the main question. Let's see, the second biggest mover is USDT, Zilliqa. Wow, what a massive move the last 2 hours, let's say 4 hours. It jumped 8% all the way to over 10% in the last few hours. Let's see, is there any news supporting it? We got some news. Let's see what they're saying. ZIL bounces and aims for new all-time high prices. Zilliqa has been moving upwards since April 23, when it bounced at the 15-cent support area. ZIL is expected to continue moving upwards at least until it reaches a new all-time high price and potential move higher. Current ZIL increase. ZIL has been moving upwards since April 22 when it bounced and reclaimed the 15-cent support area. So far, it has managed to reach a high of 22.9. The high was made slightly below the all-time high price of 25.7, which was reached on April 17th. Technical indicators are bullish, supporting the continuation of the upward movement. This is especially evident with the bullish cross that was just transpired in the stochastic oscillator. If ZIL continues to increase, the next closest resistance area would be found at 34.3. This is the 1.61 external retracement of the most recent drop. Afterwards, there is a resistance at 48, the 2.61 external fib retracement of the same drop. The longer-term weekly chart aligns with this outlook. After reaching a new all-time high, the price dropped considerably. However, it has regained previous all-time high resistance areas. In addition, there is a massive hidden bullish divergence that has developed in the weekly RSI. This is a strong sign of trend continuation, which could lead up to an upward movement. Due to lack of resistance above the current price, the increase could become parabolic. ZIL BTC, cryptocurrency trader Crypto Tony, outlined a ZIL BTC chart stating that the coin is just breaking out from a nearly 2-year accumulation range and is likely to reach new highs. The ZIL BTC charts also look bullish. It has broken out from a descending resistance line and then returned to validate it as support alongside the 300 Satoshi area. Technical indicators are bullish, supporting the continuation of the upward movement. As outlined in the tweet, the next closest resistance area is found at 650 Satoshis. To conclude, ZIL is expected to reach an all-time high and increase well into price discovery. The next closest resistance levels are found at 34 and 48 cents respectively. The ZIL BTC pair also looks bullish and expected to continue towards the next resistance area of 650 Satoshis. Massive opportunities. If they expect ZIL to go to 48 cents, that's 100% increase from where the current price is. Let's see, they reckon 48 cents, which is all the way up here, which will give us a possible profit of 107%. Great opportunities, and the coin is still low. IOTA. I haven't seen this coin in ages, but look at the massive movement. From all the way down at the bottom, it has moved 21% lately. Pretty good. Let's see, is there any news or updates supporting it? Yes, we got something about 19 hours ago. Let's see. So, IOTA newsletter. The new IOTA network is live. Firefly token migration, digital green certificates, and more. So the new IOTA network is live. Firefly token migration, digital green certificates, and more. The 5th of May. We are over the moon to announce that the Chrysalis network upgrade is officially live. We have entered a new dawn for IOTA with a brand new protocol, wallet and suite of libraries now fully operational. With Chrysalis, IOTA is becoming production ready, and we have a clear path towards a full decentralization with 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙑. Firefly token migration. When it comes to Chrysalis, Firefly will guide you through the whole migration process, painless, and you need to do is enter your seed in Firefly and follow the step-by-step process. There is no rush to migrate your tokens. So, IOTA is moving due to the fact that they have upgraded and done new things to support their system. Something to look in. A lot of coins and tokens. After upgrades and new paths follow, it helps them to move further and more advanced. So do have a look at IOTA. Who knows? Algorand. Nice upward movement as well. Let's see, is there anything supporting the massive move? Any lately news? No news, what I can see. Just a tweet about him. Enhance your transaction experience using augmented reality. This tutorial walks you through how to implement. So no massive news, and just Algorand is a scalable, secure, and decentralized digital currency and transaction platform. No massive news yet again. It's moving. Cardano, ADA. Are they back in the news? Why are they pumping? Let's see. Cardano. Yes, there's news not too long ago. Cardano staking goes live on Kraken. ADA breaks $1.53. Analyst says $5 is possible. Yes, I've made a video myself not too long ago and my prediction was just over $5. On Thursday, May 6, the Cardano ADA price broke 153 for the first time in over 3 weeks. Data by TradingView indicates that on crypto exchanges Kraken at around 0433 UTC, the ADA price went above the 153 level for the first time since April 14th, when it got as 155.83, which is the current all-time high. At 9 UTC on Tuesday, May 4th, staking support for Cardano went live on the crypto exchange Kraken. According to the exchange, which listed ADA for trading in September 2018, it's possible to receive initial annual staking rewards between 4 and 6%. I love staking, I do a lot of staking, and that's good returns. Yesterday, Dutch crypto analyst and trader Michael van der Poop said that he could see Cardano token reaching $5. On Monday, 3rd May, Coinbureau released a video on YouTube channel that compared Ethereum and Cardano. The host told the channel's 833,000 subscribers. From a percentage standpoint, ADA has seen much larger gains than Ethereum during this bull market so far. It's up almost 40 times since last spring. ADA has been consolidating since it hit 150 in mid-April this year, and if the momentum of the market continues along with the drop in BTC dominance, ADA will be getting its second wind sometime soon. If everything goes smoothly with the rollout of Cardano smart contracts in the summer, I could see ADA spiking to $3 and possibly higher if Cardano other partnerships work out. With Cardano, with the technology they're bringing in, there's massive potential for movement. Being at $1.56 at this current stage, and the possibility of reaching $3, that's another 100% gain over the long run. AVAX. Let's see, why is AVAX moving? Everything is moving great since we had the drop and the pull down, but where are we going? Let's see, we got tweets. Any news regarding it? 12 hours ago. Let's see what they're saying. So the new Avalanche AVAX website was launched 12 hours ago, and that might be the reason for it moving. There's not much information besides the fact that the new website was launched, and that should attract more people towards it. EOS. It's been down quite a while and it's finally moving. If you go into the longer term charts, we can see it more or less made a cup going around and now it's moving upwards. Great profits and opportunities. Where will this coin go? Will it reach its all-time highs again or not? But let's see, any news? Yes, 2 hours ago we got some news. Let's see what they're saying about EOS. EOS price analysts, upside break above $10 seems likely. EOS started a strong increase above the $6.90 and 805 resistance levels against the US dollar. The price is currently trading well above the $8 zone and the 55 simple moving average 4 hour. There is a major bullish trend line forming with support near $6.95 on the 4 hour chart of the EOS USD pair. The pair is accelerating higher and it could soon clear the $9.50 and $10 resistance levels. EOS price is gaining pace above the $7.50 zone against the US dollar. Similar to Bitcoin, the price is likely to rally further. It's clear the $10 barrier is near in term. EOS price analyst. After forming a base near $4.60, EOS price started a strong increase against the US dollar. The bulls took control and pushed the price above the $5.50 and $6 resistance levels. It opened the doors for a steady increase above the $7 barrier. The price even surged above the $8.50 resistance zone and extended its rally. A high is formed near $9.32 and the price is currently slowing and a lot of possible zones. It is currently trading well above the $8 zone and the 55 simple moving average 4 hour charts. Initial support on the downside is near the $8.50 level. It is close to the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. After recent rally from the $6.21 swing low to $9.32 high, the next major support is near the $8 level. The 50% Fibonacci retracement level of the recent rally from the $6.26 swing low to $9.32 high is also near the $7.67 level. Any more losses might call for a test of the $7 support zone. Moreover, there is a major bullish trend line forming with support near $6.95 on a 4 hour chart of the USD pair. On the upside, the immediate resistance is near $9.45 and $9.50 levels. The next major resistance is near the $10 level. A successful close above the $10 level could lead the price towards the $12 and $12.50 levels. So with EOS being down and out for a long time, they're finally moving. Will they reach their all-time highs, or will they just come short? Looking at the all-time high, there's an upside of $15, which is over a 50% increase for this coin if it can keep on moving. The next mover is Nemcoin. Let's see, is there any news supporting it? Looking at the news, there's just a few tweets and no official news lately. So Nemcoin is a highly versatile crypto solution which seeks to adhere to a host of mainstream industries requirements. It is written in Java and JavaScript with 100% original source code. Nem has a stated goal of a wide distribution model and has introduced new features in the blockchain technology in its proof of importance. So no real news, but a different technology yet again. And this coin